I am not showing you my best lap around the Nürburgring Grand Prix track because it was boring to watch. It is like being in a strip club. You don't want a fast, boring lap dance. You want the long, entertaining one. So here is my long, entertaining dance around the lap. Not missing the apex. Well, I am missing them, but I'm letting this faster mini pass. I never knew the two words faster and mini can fit in one sentence. Straight out of the textbook for race car drivers. Always shift mid-corner, and don't be gentle with the clutch while performing this nifty trick. Follow for more tips and tricks race car drivers do not want you to know about. Or join my mentorship group for only $69 a month. You get access to all information you otherwise find for free on YouTube. Love the sound of a BMW V6. I'm only running normal street tires on the car, especially on a Grand Prix track like this. Some aggressive tires would be worth an investment. I am still waiting for my tire sponsor. So if you own a tire company and want to sponsor a below-average driver who will continuously blame the tires instead of his lack of skills, look no further, you have found him. I won't get tired to promote your fire tires tirelessly in prime time and time again. Love how this 30 to 40 year old classic Sirocco is chasing the modern Lotus. Sounds just like normal day for Leonardo DiCaprio. Somehow I have the feeling this guy secretly wants a Subaru. Not only is this a stock 323i, it also still has the full leather interior, making it everything but quick on the straights. As you can hear, I'm running no ABS on this car. Not by choice, I just did not manage to fix it. And everyone knows real man don't need it. I feel like this comment has gone backfire like a blind demolition expert with a faulty detonator. Some bonus footage of later in the day with lots of traffic and a combination of fast and slow cars. You are probably gonna say,
"You are one of the slow ones."
How dare you! You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words.
Of course, in the moment, trying to convince you I'm not one of the slow ones, a Mini overtakes me. I give up, clearly lost that argument. For my defense, he has a roll cage. And if I learned one thing from Lewis Hamilton, it's not about how fast you are. It's all about having good excuses. The white Porsche is brand new. An American Porsche customer who chose to pick up his car from the factory and his first stop was the Nürburgring. When I grow up, I want to be this cool. Listen to that V6 roar. I could use some more power on this section.
Ups. Aber angekommen.
Now listen to me, how I'm trying to convince myself that the line through there was not bad. True racing driver in the making. And yes, I know the BMW has a straight 6, not a V6. I am just hustling for comments to cheat the algorithm.